We are taking a look at the trailer for the newest installment. It is ABCs of Death 2.5, the World Competition Edition, and the series creator called it a wake-up call from hell. So let's take a look.
To a good start. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh. So this is just M.
Okay. There you
yes!
go. All right.
I'm excited for everything but the giant spider one.
Oh, come on. That was great.
No.
Oh, that was perfect. Wonderful. Just what you love. Giant bugs. And everything else.
Everything.
Oh, my God.
Literally. Oh.
I guess I get it. There's 26 films. In a trailer, you gotta just throw images up from every one of them.
But it was so much fun.
It was.
The music was fun.
It was fun, and it's international this time, which means that, you know, there's gonna be some messed up Japanese because all the Japanese are messed up.
Who knows what's in this?
Oh my God, yeah, we saw, you know, bad special effects. We saw giant spiders. Yay!
Someone going into a fan?
Someone going into a fan. Gore, terror, horror. It looked beautiful. We cannot wait for this to come out.
Exclusively on Vimeo, August 2nd.
We haven't had this good a reaction to a trailer in a long time, and we don't say this often. This looks like some crazy, fucked up fun.
Yes.
So, let us know in the comment section what you think you saw.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because you are definitely going to want to see our review of this anthology.